Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark an order as shipped on Etsy, step by step in 2026. This tutorial is perfect if you're new to Etsy, you just got your first order, you're confused about shipping status, or you don't want to make a mistake. I will explain everything slowly and simply, so even if this is your first sale, you'll be fine. Let's get started. Now, why marking an order is shipped is important. When you mark an order as shipped, Etsy notifies the buyer. The order moves out of open orders. You look professional and trustworthy. You avoid late shipment warnings. If you forget this step, buyers may message you. Etsy may flag your shop. So this is very important. Now log into your Etsy seller account. Go to etsy.com and log in. Now click your profile icon or just click the shop manager here. Right, this is your seller dashboard. Unfortunately, I haven't filled all my details, or I'm not as frequent seller on Etsy as you would or as you do. But in your case, you're gonna see the seller dashboard, right? So don't worry, I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. In your shop manager dashboard or the seller dashboard, on the left hand menu, you're gonna click orders and deliveries. You're gonna find in this area basically your orders here. If you marked your first sale on Etsy, first of all, congratulations. Second of all, next to the product details, you're gonna see a right hand menu where you can see a C kind of icon under the three dots, or above the three dots, like kind of in the middle. That resembles the complete order section, right? Open orders, completed orders, order details, and look for the order that says paid or ready to ship. Right now, open the order you want to ship. You will see buyer name, items ordered, shipping address, delivery method. Make sure the order is correct, the address looks right. Right, always double check before marking shipped or marking complete order. And then what you're gonna do, click mark as shipped, right? And this opens the shipping confirmation window, and choose how you're shipping the order, right? Etsy will ask you how you shipped the order. You'll see options like Etsy shipping label, other carrier. Choose the correct option. If you use Etsy shipping label, Etsy autofills tracking, just confirm and continue. If you shipped outside of Etsy, choose other and enter the carrier manually, UPS, DHL, USPS, etc. And then add your tracking number if available. If you have a tracking number, paste it into the tracking field, and tracking is highly recommended because buyers trust you more. Etsy favors tracked orders, fewer "where is my order" messages. If your product does not include tracking, you can still mark as shipped, but be clear, be in your listing next time. Right now, of course, set the shipping date correctly. Etsy will auto select today's date. Only change it if you shipped earlier or you're backdating correctly. You do not mark shipped before actually shipping. Okay, and you can set a shipping notification to buyer, which is optional. Etsy can send automatic shipping email to the buyer. This is recommended. You can also add short note like your order has been shipped. Thank you for your purchase. Simple and professional, and confirm and complete. That's it. The order is now officially shipped on Etsy. So, what happens after marking shipped? Once marked shipped, buyer receives notification. Order moves to completed. Tracking updates automatically if added. You don't need to do anything else unless buyer messages you, or there is a delivery issue. Now, digital products versus physical products, important. If you sell digital products, Etsy marks them as delivered automatically. You do not need to mark shipped. This tutorial is for physical products only. Okay. Now, a common beginner mistakes to avoid here. Avoid forgetting to mark shipped, entering wrong tracking number, marking shipped before sending, using the wrong carrier, or ignoring buyer messages. Small mistakes can hurt your shop rating. Now, what is the best practices for new Etsy sellers? Beginner step here: ship on time, Always add tracking when possible. Communicate clearly and keep buyers updated, right? That way they can trust you even more, right? Happy buyers, better reviews. Now, marking an order as shipped on Etsy 2026 is simple, fast, and extremely important. Once you do it a few times, it becomes automatic. You'll feel confident. Your shop runs smoothly. Take it slow, double check details, and stay professional. Always. Okay? So, yeah, basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. If this step-by-step guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and to receive every video we upload, and comment below if you want Etsy shipping tutorials, Printify plus Etsy like workflows, or beginner Etsy seller tips. Now, yeah, I guess that wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.